Hello everybody. Pay attention because you will have to repeat after the audio. Let's check the instructions. Listen to the 3 parts. This session has 3 parts. Pay attention, okay? So you have to listen to the 3 parts and then try to pronounce as best as you can. Try to pronounce the word. Traten de pronunciar las palabras. Okay, let's go. Before we start, let's take a look to the sounds we will have to practice. These are the 2 sounds. A-U and A-W. Look at the pronunciation. A-U-O. A-W-O. They sound the same. Suenan iguales. It's because these 2 pair of words are homophones. They are homophones because they have the same sound. O and O. Practice the pronunciation, okay? Let's go to the part 1. In part 1, we have some words with A-U. This word, and this word. And we have some words with A-W, like this, and this. Listen, please, and say the words. Ready? Let's go.
Part 4. Phonics time.
1. Vowel sounds. A-U, or, gauze, saucer, laundry. 2. Vowel sounds. A-W, or, claw, crawl, lawyer.
Very good. So, let's try to pronounce. Repeat after me. Number 1. Gauze. Repeat. Gauze. Number 2. Saucer. Saucer. Number 3. Laundry. Laundry. Remember the pronunciation. O. Let's go to part 2. Number 1. Claw. Claw. Number 2. Crawl. Crawl. And number 3. Lawyer. Lawyer. Okay? Let's go to part number 2. Oh, in part number 2 we have the tongue twister. This is a tongue twister. Tongue twister means trabalenguas. Okay? So we have here the tongue twister and you will listen and then you will repeat. You will say the tongue twister, okay? Ready? Let's go.
A. Listen and chant.
Paul the lawyer eats sausage with sauce. Paul feeds a hawk with sharp claws on the line. Paul the lawyer eats sausage with sauce. Paul feeds a hawk with sharp claws on the line.
Did you listen? Okay, you will have to do this as homework, so I will help you, okay? Let's go line by line. Vamos línea por línea. Line number 1. Listen. Paul the lawyer eats sausage with sauce. Repeat. Okay, listen. Paul the lawyer eats sausage with sauce. Repeat. Okay, let's go to line number 2. Listen, please. Paul feeds the hawk with sharp claws on the lawn. Listen. Paul feeds the hawk with sharp claws on the lawn. One more time.
Paul the lawyer eats sausage with sauce. Paul feeds a hawk with sharp claws on the lawn.
Okay, Listen to me and then you say, Paul the lawyer eats sausage with sauce. Paul feeds the hog with sharp claws on the lawn. It's your turn. Do it. Let's go to part 3. Okay, in part 3 we have more words. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 words with A, U, O. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 words with A, W, O. The same sound, el mismo sonido. Listen and read. Ready to listen? Okay, let's go.
B. Listen and read.
1. AU. Or. Daughter. Naughty. Fault. Launch. 2. AW. Or. Saw. Yawn. Straw. Draw.
Okay, so now do it with me. Listen and repeat. Let's go. Number 1. Look. Daughter. Repeat. Daughter. This one. Fault. Repeat. Fault. This one. Naughty. Naughty. This one. Launch. Launch. This one. Saw. Saw. Let's go to this one. Straw. Straw. Let's go to this one. Yawn. Yawn. And the last one. Draw. Draw. Very good. As a homework, you will have to record yourself saying all the words and the tongue twister. Como deber, van a grabarse diciendo todas las palabras de las 3 partes y también el trabalenguas. Recuerden que trabalenguas se dice tongue twister. Excellent. Do your homework, boys, and thank you very much. See you again the next time. Goodbye.